Hello everyone, welcome back to Plant and Body by Design. Today I'm going to feature to you the back of our garden. And apparently this back of my garden, it's a work in progress and I'm still deciding if I'm gonna cement this area or put a new grass because soil over here is clay. The grass doesn't grow that well over here. So I'm thinking either put an additional soil and then re-grass this area. So I've said most of the plants over here are planted in containers. And I have my fuchsia collections over here, different kinds of fuchsias over here. And I planted them on containers because most of them are not so hardy. So I decided to plant them in containers. That way I could protect them during the winter time because we have snow in this area. So these are my fuchsia collections, different kinds. And this particular fuchsia, during fall, this the leaves of this one will turn into red, a very red color. And I have these fuchsias for almost 5 years now. So during the winter time, I bring them in our patio. That way they will be protected from the snow. And I have some different kinds of hydrangeas over here. And I got here a variegated fuchsia. I trained this one into like a tree. So basically it's like a topiary. So new hydrangea collections over here, and this one over here is has a small petal. These are my new hydrangea collections, and I'm trying to propagate them so that I could spread throughout the garden. So this one is a different kind of hydrangea over here. Some butylone over here, So what I did is I planted mostly Annabelle hydrangeas and the Ayesha varieties of hydrangeas all over in that corner, all around. And over there next to the fence, I planted different kinds of hydrangeas. So it's all over throughout. In this area, the soil is not really a good soil, so I'm thinking of amending it to add rich soil. As you could see over there, the Annabelle are not doing well. Flowers are so tiny because the soil is not good soil. So on this side, I have the fig tree over here in container. So it has fruits right now. And also I have a Philippine ginger over here. It has the white flower in it. I'm hoping that it will blossom soon. So, but it's all in containers right now. And I have some citrus over here and persimmon trees over here. And I got the lemon, Mayor lemon and calamundi. And I got avocado that I planted in pots. Look at this avocado, and I'm hoping that this avocado will fruit by next year. 5 years when they start to fruit if you grow them by seeds. Oranges over here. Okay, look at the fruit of this one. And I get a calamondine and some gingers. Washington navel oranges in here, and look at the fruits of this one. And then I got the a Japanese ginger. Could use the all parts of the plant from leaves to stalks to roots. And then I got an avocado over here, and I got some sweet potatoes over here that's planted. And I have this no-nose bean, Romano pole beans over here, and I'm hoping that it will give me fruit soon. And look at the leaves for this one. So actually you could grow vegetables in container, and I got some tomatoes over here in container. Look at the fruits of these tomatoes. And I got this lime over here, and more tomatoes in containers. So yeah, you could grow vegetables in containers. That way you could also move around. And sweet potatoes also in containers. Look at these sweet potatoes, and they are perfect for salads. And this lemon tree over here, look at the fruits of this lemon tree. And I got some Abyssinian banana over here. Got some philodendron birkin, some dracenias, different kinds of dracenias over here, and some philodendron. And I got eyelash fern. As you could see on this trellis, kiwi vine over here. There's two different kinds over here of this kiwi, the small kiwi and big kiwi. And in order to produce fruits for this kiwi, you need to have a male and female. And I'm hoping that by next year will provide me with fruits already, because this is the 4th year. It's 5 years before it will provide you with fruits for this kiwi vines. And I have some crocodilus ferns over here and some philodendrons and the spider plant. And some photos over here. And I got different kinds of gingers, but they don't have blossoms yet. These are flowering gingers. There's an orange color, yellow, white colors in it. And a few bananas. And I have a variegated Aurelia over here. I have a fig tree over here. And look at the small fruits right now. So, yes, you could plant uh, fig trees in containers if you don't want to be to grow tall. You just plant them in containers and then just prune them and whatever size you want. So, and then I have this Philippine ginger over here. This is actually a flowering ginger where it provides you with the white, sweet smelling flowers. And it's planted in pots also. And I got some grapes over here that is planted in container. Look at the fruits right now. So this is a grapes vine, and I just planted them on pots. So yeah, actually, you could plant grapes in container. The covered patio, and this is also work in progress. I still have to rearrange the plants over here. So what I did, I put some plastic all around it to so that I could grow some of my tropical plants over here. So that's where I keep all the citrus. I don't heat them up, but I seems that they like this area over here. So I got some few orchids over here. And some green emerald philodendrons, some calatheas over here, some Vena Vista, and fiddle leaf over there, and alocasia, and some wandering juice over here. Peperonia and rubber tree. So, as I've said, this is work in progress also. look at the black ZZ plant and another Vina Vista over here. And I have a Monstera Deliciosa over here. And I have some Aglonema over here, and some Alocasias, and a prayer plant over here, and ferns, cyclamen, and more orchids over here. And Hoya. This is the black dragon, they call it Hoya, and it has this variegation on the leaves. And some Christmas cactus. So now it's month of July, but it's blossoming right now. Some more orchids. Euphorbia plant over here, and another Monstera Deliciosa over here. So this is Monstera Deliciosa. This is a 30-year-old. I was told, somebody gave to me this one, that this is a 30-year-old Monstera Deliciosa. But look at they're skinny because they don't have enough nutrients when they put them in the interior of the house. It was a little bit neglected. Look at the new shoots because I've been watering them now. And another rubber tree over here. Some alocasia over there, and bromeliads. I got some few bromeliads over here. Photos. Some Christmas cactus and a propeller plant.